I'm Glenda Russell. I'm a psychologist at CAPS. And one of the fun things that I get to do as part of my job is I teach a class through the Miramontes Arts and Sciences program. And that's a program that provides academic support and challenge to students who are underrepresented at the university. Many of these students are first-generation students. They're the first members of their families to go to college. And this year I've been working with this group of students. There are 6 in the class. And we spent the first semester doing a lot of work trying to figure out how to think about research, especially research in the humanities and the social sciences. And we've spent this semester actually doing a research project. These 6 young people decided that they wanted to do a project in which they would interview first-generation students at the University of Colorado and talk with them about what are the challenges of being a first-gen student, what are the resources that they use, what helps them, what helped them to get here before they even got here.
I guess it takes time to...
Mm-hmm. It takes time to get settled, or is there a better word?
Time to...
Get integrated?
Yeah, integrate themselves.
That's good, integrate themselves. I like that because it's more active.
Yeah. Based on the question of how did students become acquainted to the school and how do they start finding the ways they belong here on campus, we found from the interviews that many of the people joined different groups that they were very comfortable with, such as groups that had to do with their major, any professional experiences that they had in the past. They wanted to join clubs based on that. We found that a lot of people had religious clubs that they were joined in. And finally, a huge thing for first generation students was that they were able to identify with their race and ethnicity, so they joined clubs based off of that. 2 out of the 11 interviews of the first gen students did not feel that they had already found a community. But we found that it's important to find what is important to you, and maybe these 2 individuals have not found what's important to them yet.
Good. That's very good. That's excellent.
Section 5, yeah.